Okay, morning everyone. Afternoon, whatever you want to call it. We're still at thank God so we're up. We got up this morning. As much as we're in quarantine, if we're still alive and you're still in the land of the living, say thank God. Anyway, I'm not going to do a whole lot of speaking today. I just want to jump right into the concoction to help break up some of the mucus that is in the chest. Ay, ay, ay. We have neem powder. This is a different brand. Then we have our original neem powder brand. So we're going to make a cough syrup, which they would call in doctor term an expectorant. For who wants to call it expectorant, who want to call it a concoction, they can call it that. Who want to call it a cough mixture, naturally made, they could always call it. But all the ginger we have here, we have garlic, we have clove, which is a very good expectorant for mucus. We have oregano powder, and we have neem powder, which is from here. Okay, we're gonna ginger, this much ginger you need, and 5 cloves of garlic. 5 cloves, and we have a little bottle of honey. I bought like maybe 5 of these. This is really good honey. It's really good. It's like the best I could get, pure honey. But this is a very good brand. It's like a small company, so I like small companies because they're not in cahoots. Anyway, it's put in the ginger. It's dumping the garlic. We're gonna dump the apple cider vinegar, just like maybe a quarter cup of that. See it? Anyway, we're gonna put it in. We might have to put a little bit. And we have 4 lemon, seed and all. We're gonna dump in. There's a lot of nutrients in the seed. Anyway, we're gonna mix the clove with the oregano powder. Put it in. Then we're gonna put some neem powder in it also. About this full we're gonna use with neem powder. And then we're gonna pour honey in it. Pouring in our honey. About half of this bottle is gonna go in there. Because we're not adding any water to it, like really. We're gonna turn the blender on. And we're gonna run. Stop it, and then it's supposed to look like this when you make. These are some that I made and have them here on my counter. So for the kids and me, so when they run out, these are boosting up your immune system, act as an expectorant. So you can put it in hot water if you have a lot of mucus on the chest and you want to cough it up. You just, you get a little shot thing like this. You boil the hot water, just like a half a cup. You pour it in and you drink that. And you can drink that for twice a day, but I'm guaranteeing you, once you drink it, you're going to see that mucus coming up immediately. What I'm going to do now is put a little cayenne in there. I bought this at the health food store, like an ounce. It's 3 something ounce. So I'm going to use like the handle of the spoon. And then I'm going to open here on the blender and I'm going to throw it in, and that's it. That's supposed to be it. I'm going to make this now. This I'm making for someone. That's it. That's the medicine. And that's your God-given medicine. I'm wrapping it up. Make sure you remember everything that I told you. The honey must go in. Garlic. Where is the garlic? Let me show you the garlic. Because I don't want you to forget. Garlic. jog in your memory. Garlic, 5 clove garlic, honey, oregano powder. Yes, you can get it in the powder. It's easier to make the expectorant for the coughing with the oregano powder. And the oregano powder also you can just put in hot water and just drink it with honey. You're inside, you're in quarantine, help yourself. Believe me, it works. Lemon juice, you need 4 lemon. You need your cayenne pepper, real strong good cayenne pepper. You need some moringa powder also to put in tea, like a teaspoon. I'm gonna put a teaspoon more because your appetite will go. Because a lot of people that I've been helping, their appetite is gone. So the moringa has a lot of different amino acids and nutrients that will help you. So put it in hot water, make some soups, and then dump the oregano, like a teaspoon of that. Dump there some oregano, dump some moringa in it. All right? Don't do this in the soups because it's going to go, it's already in there. All right? It's already in the medicine that I'm making for the cough. Ladies and gentlemen, this is for the cough. For those who is in quarantine. You know, those are the people I'm focused on because no one's helping them. Please try the stuff. It will help you. All right? And I'm going to post the steep for the nose again while I do this. And, you know, just follow through. Trust me. It helped 5 people already that I know of that is in my circle. And it will help you guys. And I also make a solution for the nose, for the throat, with the clove and the vinegar and salt. Put it in a cup, a little bit of hot water. Just rinse the throat once you come from outside. Protect yourself. Be safe, New Yorkers. Be safe, Americans. Big up yourself. We will get through this. Through God who strengthens us, we will get through it. It's not going to kill us. Yes, I make mistake. It's not going to kill us. It is frustrating a lot of us, but sometimes we have to go through stuff to be stronger. Okay, my people? And we know New York's people are very strong. We are resilient, and we're going to bounce back. Just stay at home and take care of yourself. Don't run around. Please, I'm begging you. Stay home and take care of yourself. All right? And when you get better, still don't go outside, go run around, because you can also catch it again. All right? I don't know if you know that, but you can catch it twice. So if you have it and you're getting better from it because you're using some of, you know, my remedies or other people remedy who are sharing, stay home, all right? And take up your vitamins and drink up your honey and your garlic and, you know, strengthen up yourself and make a lot of soup, vegetable soups. It's good. And then you can put the moringa powder in it, and that will give you extra strength and energy. You have a blessed one. Stay well and stay safe.